Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cam Learning English. Yeah, today I have a new exercise for you to practice about how to use used to in here. But for the previous video, I already taught you about how to use used to, be used to, and get used to, and all kind of used to in here, right? Okay, but today I just mentioned, yeah, only used to, yeah, for you to practice about how to use it, and there are two exercises for you for exercise part A and part B. Okay, and for the matching with the picture too. Okay, so don't waste the time, and now let's go to the exercise together. បាទឥឡូវនេះគឺខ្ញុំមានទម្រង់វេយ្យាករណ៍មានន័យថាមិនជាថ្មីទេប៉ុន្តែវេយ្យាករណ៍ចាស់ដែលខ្ញុំបានបង្រៀនកាលពីវគ្គមុនបាទគឺខ្ញុំលើកយកមកបង្រៀនពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ used to ជាបន្តទៀតមានន័យថាមិនជាការប្រើប្រាស់នៅក្នុងនេះទេមានន័យថាគឺជាការមានន័យថាធ្វើនៅ exercise ដើម្បីជាការ practice ណាបាទដើម្បីជាការអនុវត្តតែម្ដងពីព្រោះតែយើងបានរៀននៅមេរៀនមុនរួចរាល់ហើយ Okay, so you can go to part A. Yeah, part A means choose the correct verb and write what Lulu and Benny used to do in winter when they were younger. Then match the sentences with the picture. បាទចុចចំណុច A ពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹង introduction ណាការណែនាំក៏យើងចូលជ្រើសរើសនៅគេស័ព្ទឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវហើយនឹងសរសេរនៅអ្វីដែល Lulu និង Benny ប្រើនៅក្នុងរដូវរងា Sorry ធ្លាប់ធ្វើមិនប្រើណាធ្លាប់ធ្វើក្នុងរដូវរងានៅពេលដែលពួកគេនៅពីក្មេងឬក៏កាលពីពួកគេនៅពីក្មេង They match the sentences with the picture បន្ទាប់មកចូលផ្គូផ្គងជាមួយនឹងប្រយោគដែលយើងបានបំពេញហ្នឹងជាមួយនឹងរូបភាពនៅខាងស្ដាំដៃនេះអូខេអញ្ចឹងចំពោះគេស័ព្ទទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទការស័ព្ទគឺគេឲ្យមកគឺលក្ខណៈហ្នឹងដេកនេះខ្ញុំពិបាកមើលបន្តិចណាអូខេ for the verb everyone climb decorate eat fish fly go yeah go have look make write so well បាទចឹងចំពោះគេស័ព្ទមួយចំនួនដែលដាក់មក2ដងឬក៏3ដងហ្នឹងមានន័យថាយើងអាចប្រើពី3ដងនៅក្នុងប្រយោគហ្នឹងណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យពិបាកគឺខ្ញុំដាក់ជា exercise sorry ខ្ញុំដាក់ជា verb គេស័ព្ទហ្នឹងគឺនៅខាងលើនេះតែម្ដងកុំឲ្យយើងពិបាកមើលណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងមាន climb ម្ដងទៀតណា decorate eat fish fly go have look make write so well okay Okay, now let's practice. Yeah, complete all the exercise by using used to in here in part A, everyone. Okay, អញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងបំពេញតែម្ដងនៅក្នុងចំណុច A នេះបាទអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ picture រូបភាពយើងអាចផ្គូផ្គងនៅពេលក្រោយឥឡូវយើងបំពេញឲ្យត្រូវតាមស្ថានភាព location តើយើងត្រូវយកកិរិយាសព្ទមួយណាក្នុងចំណោមកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់នេះណាកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងឬក៏យើងអាចមើលនៅខាងនេះតែម្ដងបាទយកមកប្រើជាមួយនឹង noun ដែលនៅខាងចុងហ្នឹងOkay, now let's go for number 1, right? Okay, so number 1, Lulu cats, right? So Lulu used to, yeah, I mean cats, which verb that go with cats? Make, right? Okay, so Lulu used to make cats, okay. And number 2, Benny and Lulu, yeah, snowmen, yeah, so snowmen, which verb that you can use with it, right? Okay, Benny and Lulu used to make, right? Okay, make too. Yeah, just used to make snowmen. And number 3, Benny and Lulu the Christmas tree. Okay, so yeah, used to what is it? Just for the noun Christmas tree, everyone. Okay, they decorate, right? Okay, just to decorate the Christmas tree. Okay, and how about number 4? Yeah, Benny his kite. So which verb that used with kite, everyone? Okay, Benny used to fly, right? So I mean fly his kite. Okay, and number 5, Lulu skiing. So you have to use the verb with skiing. So which one, everyone? Lulu used to go, right? Okay, used to go skiing. And number 6, Benny his boy. Okay, Benny used to, which verb to go with by, everyone? Ride, right? Okay, Benny used to ride his bike. Okay, and number 7, Benny and Lulu, snowball fly. So, Benny and Lulu used to, what is it? What verb used with snowball flies, everyone? Okay, used to have, right? Okay, so used to have snowball fly. And number 8, Benny the snow. Okay, Benny used to, which verb go with the snow, everyone? Okay, so well, so well there, the snow. Okay, and number 9, Benny and Lulu in the frozen lake. Okay, so again, Benny and Lulu used to, was it in the frozen lake? Used to fish, right? Used to fish in a frozen lake. And for number 10, Benny and Lulu ice skating. So which verb just with ice skating, with the noun ice skating, everyone? Benny and Lulu used to go, right? Used to go ice skating. Okay. And number 11, Benny and Lulu to the roof of their house and count the snowflakes. So again, Benny and Lulu used to, number 11, everyone, used to climb, right? Used to climb to the roof of the house and count the snowflakes. Okay, and let's go to number 12. Benny snowboarding. So Benny used to, which verb that go with snowboarding, everyone? Used to go, right? Used to go snowboarding. And number 13, Benny and Lulu at the star. So Benny and Lulu used to look, right? Okay, look at the stars. Okay. And number 14, Benny and Lulu sausages and hot dogs. So again, Benny and Lulu used to, which verb go with sausages and hot dog? The last verb, right? Eat. Okay, so this all for the exercise in part A, but you have to complete, to match, everyone. You have to match the sentence that you just finished at the moment with the pictures. So which picture go with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until to the last sentences. Okay, so now let's go to the match together, everyone. Okay, so number 1, Lulu used to make cakes. So you can look at the picture, everyone. So which one is cake? In here, right? Okay, so you have to put number 1. Okay, and for number 2, Benny and Lulu used to make snowmen. So at the picture, which is snowman, everyone? Here, which one? Okay, so this one, right? Okay, snowman. So number 2. Okay, and number 3, Benny and Lulu used to decorate the Christmas tree. So where is the Christmas tree? You can see. Okay, so right here, right? Christmas tree, you can see in the picture. So here number 3, right? Okay, for the picture 3, 2. And number 4, Benny used to fly his kite. So you can look at the kite, everyone. Yes, where is the kite? Okay, here, right? The kite. So you, write down number 4, right? For flying or used to fly his kite. And number 5, Lulu used to go skiing. So you can go, or you can go to see about the picture. Which one is go skiing for number 5, everyone? Okay, so you can see, where's it? Go skiing. Number 5, right? Okay, so let's see about the picture, everyone. Which one? Go skiing. Okay, so you can see together here, right? Okay, skiing in here. So write down number 5. Okay. And number 6, Benny used to ride his bike. So how about bicycle? You look at a bicycle. Where, everyone? Right, used to ride his bike. Oh, in here, right? Okay, so you write down number 6. So just write down. And number 7, everyone. Number 7, Benny and Lulu used to have snowball fight. So look at snowball fight. Which picture, everyone? Okay, so let's take a look together. Snowball fight, and which one? Can you see? Snowball fight. Okay, this one. Okay, so number 7. Okay, snowball fight. Okay, and let's go to number 8. Benny used to shovel the snow. Shovel the snow. Which one, everyone? Number 8. He used to shovel the snow. Okay, so in here, right, everyone? You can see the picture. He is holding a shovel. Shovel. Okay, so number 8 in here. Okay, that's all, right? Okay, but for number 9, everyone, Benny and Lulu used to fish in the frozen lake. Number 9. So you can go the picture for the fishing, right? Oh, in here, right? Fishing. So number 9, right? You can complete here. And for number 10, Benny and Lulu used to go ice skating. So number 10, right? Again, Benny and Lulu used to go ice skating. So you can look at the picture. You have to find number 10. Which one? Ice skating. Okay, in here for the last one. Number 10. Okay, so here number 10. You can see. Okay, sorry. And number 11, everyone. Okay, let's go. Number 11. Benny and Lulu used to climb to the roof of their house and count the snowflakes. So let's go. They are standing on the roof of their flat and to count the snowflakes. So which one, everyone? Oh, here, right? They are on the roof. On the roof. Okay, of their house. So you write down number 11. Okay, number 11 in here. Okay, and now let's go to number 12. Number 12, Benny used to go snowboarding. So you can go to see about the snowboarding. Number 12. So which one, everyone? There are only some space you can see. So snowboarding number 12. So this one, right? So you complete number 12. Okay. And for number 13, Benny and Lulu used to look at the stars. Used to look at the star. Number 13 in here, right? 13. Okay. And for the last one, Benny and Lulu used to eat sausages and hot dogs. The last one, everyone. No space. Which one? No space. Okay, in here for the last one too. Number 4. Okay, so let's go to the exercise, everyone. Yes, in part B, answer the question. Yeah, based on what's happened in part A. Yeah, in part A you have already complete. Yeah, and now just answer. I mean, short answer, yes or no, right? Is it correct or incorrect based on the pictures and the sentences in part A? Okay, so number 1, let's answer, everyone. Yeah, did Benny used to ride his motorcycle or his motorbike? Not motorbike in the picture, right? For bicycle, right? Okay, so you answer no, right? No, he didn't. Okay. And number 2, did Lulu used to make cookies? Yeah, cookie, but not cookie mean make cakes, right? Okay, so the answer is no to no, she didn't. Okay. And number 3, did Lulu and Benny used to make a snowman? Yes, right? Okay, so the answer, yes, they did. Okay. And number 4, yeah, did Benny used to go snowboarding? Yeah, did Benny used to go snowboarding? Yeah, yes, right? Okay, yes, he did. And number 5, did Benny and Lulu used to count the star? No, right? To count snowflake. Yeah, so the answer, no, they didn't. Okay. And number 6, did Benny and Lulu used to eat sausages and hot dog? Yes, right? Okay, so the answer, yes, they did. And number 7, did Benny used to fly his kite? Yeah, yes, right? Yes, he yes, he did. And number 8, did Lulu used to go swimming? Yeah, number 8, everyone. Yes or no? Okay. No, right? Okay. No, she didn't. Okay. And number 9, did Lulu and Benny used to have snowball fights? Yeah, yes, right, everyone? Yes, they did. Okay, and for the last one, number 10, yeah, did Lulu and Benny used to fish in the sea? No, in the sea, in the lake or in the frozen lake, right? So no, yeah, no, they didn't. Okay. Okay, so this is all for exercise, everyone. Yes, in part B, because you have already finished in part A at the moment, and part B also finished. Okay, goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.